Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud Snapshot scheduling for Compute Engine, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Cloud Snapshot scheduling for Compute Engine, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the Compute Engines section in the left-hand menu. Select Snapshots from the sub-menu under Compute Engine. Click on the Create Snapshot button. Fill in the required details such as the snapshot name, description, and the source disk. Choose the desired disk that you want to create a snapshot for from the source disk dropdown. Set the storage location for your snapshot by selecting the appropriate region. Next, click on the Create button to generate the snapshot. Once the snapshot is created, return to the Snapshots page. Here, find the snapshot you just created and click on its name to view its details. Now, look for the Create Schedule option to configure snapshot scheduling. In the Schedule configuration window, set the schedule name and describe the purpose of the schedule. Select the frequency for the snapshot creation, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the time of day when you want the snapshots to be taken. Choose a time zone for accuracy in scheduling. You can also set a retention policy by defining how many snapshots to keep. Adjust any additional options based on your specific requirements. Once all details are filled in, click on the Create button to finalize the schedule. To confirm that the scheduling is set correctly, return to the Snapshots page and look for the scheduled snapshots under the Schedules section. Review the settings to ensure everything is configured as intended. You have now successfully configured snapshot scheduling for your Compute Engine in Google Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.